Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of spreadsheets as we unveil the top 5 tips and tricks that will supercharge your Excel skills. These tips are guaranteed to save your time, boost your productivity, and impress your colleagues. From powerful shortcuts to advanced functions, we have got you covered. So grab your keyboard, buckle up, and let's excel together.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
Sometimes working in a subject, we have to repeatedly use a similar type of words again and again, and we have to type them, and it is very laborious and time consuming. And if we want to avoid this, we can use this tool. For example, if I have to write Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, so you can see that it takes a lot of time to type the whole sentence. So how if I create a kind of shortcut and use this instead of writing this full form, and when I enter this shortcode, the full form is written automatically. I have to go to the file, then I have to go to the options, then proofing, and in proofing I have to go to autocorrect option, and here I have to write the short code, that is BISE, and the BISE should be replaced with Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, and then I have to add it and press OK. Now if I write BISE and then press enter, so you can see that the whole thing is written by itself. Similarly, if I have to write Higher Education Commission, it takes a lot of time. So I can create a short key for the Higher Education Commission. I have to go to again File, then Options, and then Proofing, Autocorrect, and replace HEC with Higher Education Commission, and then add it and press OK, then again OK. So now if I write HEC and press enter, so Higher Education Commission is written over here. So it could be various names, it could be the names of the universities. For example, I have created short key for Islamic University of Bahawalpur. So if I write IUB and then press enter, it automatically write Islamic University of Bahawalpur. Another technique is the advanced AutoFit column. This is a technique that I personally use a lot in my worksheets. Well, let's learn it with the help of an example. Sometimes when we type in a cell, we can see that we have to adjust these cells manually. So how about if cells can adjust themselves according to the information that we typed automatically? So how we can do this? We have to right click the sheet, then go to the view code. In the view code, we have to go to the worksheet, and here we have to type cells dot entire column dot AutoFit, and then we have to press tab. After this, we have to close these windows and move back to our worksheet. If I write something over here, like I write and then I move to the next, you can see that the cell is adjusted by itself. Flash fill or the autofill is a technique that is very handy to use. For example, we have the names of the different amino acids and we want to write them with the help of first 3 number code. Like for cysteine we write CYS, and similar type of formatting is required for the rest of the values. So how we can do it with the help of a single short key? We have to select the first cell and then press Ctrl E, and you can see that the rest of the values are calculated by themselves automatically. Similarly, for the names of the day we can do this, for the names of the month we can do this, and for other values also. So it becomes a matter of seconds to fill the whole data with the help of this function. So now this text to column, Text to column is required sometime when we have to fetch the data from the other sources. Like for example, if we have data in the Microsoft Word, we have the list of different amino acids. So I copy it from the Microsoft Word and go to the Excel. Here when I paste it, you can see that the whole data is pasted in a single cell. But I want to change it into different columns. So how I can do it in a simple and effective method? For this purpose, I have to go to the data and then I have to go to text to column. Under text to column, I have to select delimited, then next, and make sure the tab and comma are checked, and then I have to press next and finish. And now you can see that your data is set into different cells. When you are working on a big data and you have multiple sheets in your workbook and you want to switch between them, the easiest method is to use a short key. Short key for this is the control page up and control page down. So you can see that if I press control page up, I go to sheet number 2, 3, 1, and if I press control page down, I am going downward. This is it for our top 5 tips and tricks to elevate your Excel skills to the next level. We hope you found these techniques valuable and that they will save your time and efforts in your spreadsheet task. Remember, mastering Excel is a journey, so keep practicing and keep exploring its new feature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your other fellows. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more exciting Excel tutorials and helpful content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep excelling.